Hey everybody, Brock Freddy here, helping you enjoy your ride. I had a question from a customer about checking the oil. I want to show you how to check the oil. And this is the way it's going to be pretty typically on most cars. Usually you have your hood pop here, so I'm going to pop the hood. And it may vary from time to time or from car to car, but generally speaking, you're going to have a little lever that you have to push up, and you can see here there's actually a cutout for it right there from the factory, and you can see that there's a little lever that I have to push up, well, in order to get the hood up. I'm going to push that up, and then also you can see right here I'm going to have to grab it with my camera hand. And what I had to do is to pull this arm down from the position that you saw it in, from this little place right here. And you actually have to place it here. And also generally there's going to be some indication, you see that little arrow? There's going to be some indication of where to place this arm in order to hold that hood up. A lot of cars also will have little shock absorbers that basically automatically hold the hood up for you. Now, to check the oil, the dipstick is going to be right here, usually highlighted in yellow, and also it's usually going to say right on it, engine oil. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. And what you always want to look for, and I'm not going to pull it out because I don't have a rag right now, but what you're always going to want to look for is that the oil is at the right level, and there will be an indicator on the dipstick at the very end of it to tell you what a good oil level is. Also, you're going to want to check the color of the oil. If it's really, really dark and thick and nasty, then that may mean you've got problems. And also, make sure you try to do this when the car is off, and please be safe. Don't ever touch that thing, especially whenever the car has been running, because that is super hot. Remember, safety first. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Hope this helps you. Enjoy your ride.